Hello everyone, I am CorporateNapps and welcome back to my channel. Want to speak with you guys today about something a little different. Guys, we are knee deep at this point in holiday season and it is time for us to start shopping if that is what we're choosing to do this year. So one of the things about me and the holiday season is I don't like the crowds, and of course with things that are currently taking place with social distancing and all of that, I'm not going anywhere where there are crowds. So I do a lot of online shopping. This year, everything will be online shopping for me just because I don't want to have the extra exposure, if I'm being honest with you. I am really big on practical gifts. So I try to listen to what people have said to me throughout the year. I try to make a mental note so that I can double back, so to speak, or remember and be sure to get them that thing that they've talked about or something similar. So what you'll see is items that I've purchased over the last few weeks or months from Amazon. Now, I have to admit, some of these items I have purchased and I thought I was purchasing them for someone else and they ended up being mine. So I have had to, or I'm going to go back and get an additional item for the person, but I'll be able to show you some of those items close up since they're already opened. All of the items that I'll be speaking about in this video are all what I consider to be budget friendly. I do know that that is very relative, and some of these items are somewhat decorative items, so you'll get to venture with me through my house a little bit and you'll get to see how I've utilized some of the items already in my home that I'll most likely have to rebuy or have repurchased for someone else. If you like this type of content, be sure to thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know what you think. Also, if you have not already subscribed, please do so and ensure that you hit that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. For those of you who are here for my hair, be sure to follow me on my newly created CorporateNapps Instagram page. You can look above in the banner or below in the description box to see how to follow me on Instagram. So let's go, because I don't want this video to be any longer than it needs to be. The first item that I have are these slides. Yes, I know that everyone is wearing these slides and I actually have them on right now. My mom came to the house. My parents were in town about maybe less than a month ago, and she saw these slides and she was like, I need a pair of those. Those are the cutest things. I take mental notes and end up getting some for her. So these little slides obviously are from Under Armour. I purchased them on Amazon and I got her a pair as well in her size. So my mom, she'll be excited to get these, and just so that you can see, the back is pink as well. And these were just under $28 if I remember correctly. I will put a link below to everything that I am speaking about in this video, and I think you guys will love these. I think they are a great gift for whether you're younger, you're older, but I'm telling you, they give you a really great amount of support. And this is coming from someone who has had issues forever with their back and need a certain amount of support. The next item is this Soundcore mini Bluetooth speaker. Y'all, this little baby packs a punch. Now, I purchased 2 of them. The whole reason that I actually ended up getting these speakers was because I didn't have anything that was portable. You can literally put this in your handbag if you're going somewhere and you're going to be sitting out, or you're going to be at a poolside going on vacation. You can take this, and like I said, I purchased 2 of them. You can take this and put it in a bag and just be prepared to have your music surrounding you. It really does pack a punch, even like sitting outside on the patio. They were I think they were about $42. I will put a link below. Now, what I am doing with this is I am actually purchasing actually 2 more for my parents' house. It's gonna be nice to be able to give them something where if my mom wants to play her gospel music on Sundays, or they want to put on some old school music, they can do that while they are around the house and not be stuck sort of in one room or having the sound sort of located just in one area of the house. The next item is this gear light LED camping light. Now, I know that this looks small, and it is very small, but guys, I live in a hurricane-friendly area. We tend to have blackouts, unfortunately. I keep these in my home so that if we have blackouts, I have a light instead of having to turn candles on or use my phone. Flashlights for me, I never know where they are in my home, so these work perfectly. I ended up purchasing 2 of them, and you can get them and hang them somewhere if you want. And again, I know they look small, but if it is dark in the house, no light, I've had to use them already. This thing will illuminate a whole room. I have put this in my game room upstairs when we've had outages, and it's perfect. It's like having a lamp next to you, even though it may be sitting in a corner or what have you. So these are a really nice find. And I purchased these for $19.99. I think the battery life is about 72 hours. Yeah, about 72 hours. I plan is to purchase more and purchase for a friend, I should say. But I'm thinking I probably need to get another one at least for myself to put in my vehicle. I have a flashlight in my vehicle just in case, if you will, but I kind of feel like this gives a more power, if you will, or illuminates a lot more than the flashlight that I currently have in the car. The other thing that I will say about this light is if you have young people in your life who are out on their own, either they're in their own apartment or even if they are living with you but they are out and about a lot, it would not hurt to get them something like this. They tend to not think in terms of the things that they may need. They assume, oh, I have a flashlight on my phone. Okay, well, 9 times out of 10, because you're on the phone nonstop, your flashlight on your phone will not work for a certain amount will only work for a certain amount of time. And keep in mind, they're on the phone so much, usually their battery is at like 10%, 20%. So that flashlight isn't gonna last very long. This is a great item to stock a stocking with like college gifts or someone who is going off into their own apartment, whatever the case may be. So this is a good find and a good price for stocking stuffing. I have an issue with my shoes touching my clothing when I travel. So if you've heard me talk in other videos, you probably know that in the past, pre-pandemic, I traveled a great deal for work. And these little babies, first of all, they are the cutest thing ever. They are the little shoe bags, and even my combat boots fit into these. And you'll see the little wooden pieces there, and it is a drawstring. And they come 3. Isn't that the cutest little thing? 3, right? And they were just under $12. But as you can see, all the different shoes on there. I know some people put their shoes in the net part of their luggage, but again, that can still touch your clothing. And so I just prefer my shoes to be completely covered and not touching any of my clothing. I like the fact that it's girly. It's not just a regular shoe bag. It's girly, and it's obviously for women's shoes. And I just really like the look and feel of them. But even though there's a satin lining in the inside, you can wash these as well with no problem. Now, I do tend to put them into the netted bag, you know, that little bag that you use to protect items that may be a little delicate. I put these in there so that they won't rip up and wash them. Those will be going to friends over the holiday as well as sort of stocking stuffers. Now, this particular item is, and actually just came in the mail, is for men. I love these. It also comes 3 to a pack, also from Amazon. I'll link it below. One of the things about this that's nice is it looks manly. It's just a regular black bag. And let's see if I can open it up. It's a regular black bag, and it looks like it can carry a size 13, maybe even up to a 14 or higher. But this is going to be great. This is for a friend, and I will be giving this as a part of his stocking stuffer. And this was under $10, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I'll link it below. If you have someone in your family who's a male who travels a lot, or if they go to the gym, anything they do where they may change their clothes and throw everything into a bag, they can use these shoe bags to ensure that the shoes do not touch their clothing. So keeping in the line of travel, this was the cutest little thing for me. I purchased this some time ago. Again, it is going to be a stocking stuffer for others, and it simply says dirty laundry on there, and you see sort of the pajama set, if you will, and it was just under $10 or just under $11, and I'm just kind of opening this up. It becomes a larger laundry bag. Isn't that the cutest thing? And this is where, of course, you saw it folded, and as you open it up, you can close that back up. But then when you have your clothing and you get back home and you're ready to dump it all out and wash it, you can zip it back, unzip it, and of course, turn it into the little smaller pouch that you just throw in your luggage. Really, really, really convenient. And this little item is my Echo Dot. I love, love, love this thing. It is actually a 3rd generation. Now, I am someone, I think they're like on 4th generation now. I am someone, I don't have to have the newest or the next version of things as long as what I have is working well. Let's see, hopefully you guys can see the top of that. And yeah. There's dust there, but you know. I actually pair my Soundcore mini Bluetooth speakers to my Echo Dot, and it is also a smart speaker with Alexa. So to give you an idea, this is my hand, and this is just how small the Echo Dot is, but very convenient. You can stick it in a corner, you can sit it with your electronics, and here is sort of a normal size remote. And you can kind of see the sizing there. It was just under $30. So here is where you get to venture into my home a little bit. This is my downstairs guest bathroom. And I actually wanted to just show you guys the decorative towel that I purchased from Amazon. And this is the towel for the towel rack. It obviously matches the burgundy that's in this bathroom. The tassel does not come from Amazon. I'm sure you can get something similar. I will link this towel. This is the hand towel. And one of the things that I love about this particular towel, and there's another upstairs that I'm going to show you, is the raised decorative nature of the towel. This is not a seamless, if you will, or straight paneling here. This is raised, and I'll just show you everything. Try not to show myself. Hey y'all. Show you everything in this bathroom just to see how it sort of all comes together. And this is a small guest bathroom downstairs. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that, but yes, the towel certainly matches. And this towel was just under $20. I feel like that was a good buy. I only had to purchase one because there's only one place in here that needed a towel. I think that's perfectly fine for a decorative towel. So now I am upstairs. This is one of the 2 bathrooms upstairs, and this is sort of my mint green bathroom. And what I did here was purchase this particular towel from Amazon. It is mint green, and as you can see, the tassel, which was not purchased from Amazon, matches the mint green, and it has the gold, and you'll see here on the towel the gold. Again, that is raised paneling there on the towel. I really, really love how this towel just kind of worked perfectly with my bathroom. The colors just really did the trick for me. And this mint green towel was $21 or just over $21. Again, it's a decorative towel, so I'm perfectly comfortable paying that price. And here I actually had to purchase 2, and I have them set up just the same. So By the way, that's the mirror. That's only one towel. It's just a different section of the bathroom. So I will link this towel as well. So similar to what I'm sure everyone has now, you know, we have to really take security serious these days. But I got my Ring doorbell in bronze quite some time ago. It was probably the end of last year, or maybe it was fall. I'm not sure. But I am actually getting my parents one of these. Now, I actually paid $59. It was just under $60 for the Ring doorbell, and I personally think that's a great price. Now, one of the nice things about technology, my parents are not very technically savvy. However, I will actually set this up to where my phone will get alerts as well as their phones, and I think that's kind of a peace of mind for me. It's similar to how I have their alarm set up. I'm able to control the alarm if they forget a password or something happens at the house. So this will be a purchase for them for this year as well. I will add the link below. Another items that I wanted to make you guys aware of were these very nice thick sheets that I purchased on Amazon. They keep you cool when it's a bit warmer. So I don't sweat or get really hot with those sheets, but they are very thick. The pockets are very deep. I actually purchased my parents some of the sheets, and I got them in a dark gray for both of us just because we were coming up on the winter time, and I thought it'd be nice to have some fall looking sheets. In the summertime, I tend to have on the white linens and the very pale colors, if you will. But these dark sheets look so good. I am going to insert a picture, and it comes with 4 pillowcases and your fitted sheet and the regular sheet. And I paid under $36 for those sheets, but the thread count is a very high thread count. I'm gonna again insert a picture, and that is also something that I feel like people sometimes don't get enough of, or people don't change them out as much as they probably need to. And so giving someone additional sheets, nice sheets, for the holidays is a good way for them to actually get the sheets without having to think about doing it on their own. I love me some really good linens, and these were, I feel like, a great deal for the quality of sheets that I purchased. And there you have it. Those are my Amazon gift ideas for this year. If you find this type of information beneficial, let me know. I would love to bring you more of this type of content. I hope that everyone is doing well. I hope that you're being safe, and take care.